Welcome back to another episode on Jay's Journey, guys. Today we are at Seoul and we are going to have something very interesting. We'll be eating live seafood, like lots of live seafood. There'll be lots of varieties, and the best part, they'll be coming. I'll be giving you guys a hint. It will be octopus, a totally live octopus. Eating raw seafood is actually pretty famous culture in Korea, and right now we are going to have all these side dishes first. For all these appetizer, we have some seaweed soup, some pan-fried corn with cheese, and there's a sweet pumpkin porridge with some pickled vegetables. All these are just appetizers. So stay on and get ready for the next dish that will definitely skip your stomach. So let me introduce this. This is called a sanaji. What it means, right, is actually in Korea they use a live octopus, chop it to bite-sized pieces, and use some sesame oil to sprinkle it. But of course, if you see it's still moving because it's still alive maybe a few minutes ago. The texture of this dish is very unique, really chewy, and the suction cup of the octopus is still active, which might not be a dish for the faint heart. Moving on, we'll be having some fried fish here, being battered with breadcrumbs and deep fried into the goodness. It is a very crispy dish with its favorite secret mayo sauce. Our second unique main dish of the day is this 4x4 plates of whole, which is actually sashimi. I really love how they do with this presentation with 4 round stones as a base to plate the sashimi. There's actually 4 different types of sashimi for us to taste. Each have its own variety and flavors. So one thing that you should not forget is when you're eating your sashimi, always use soy sauce but mix it well with wasabi, because wasabi is a very good ingredient to kill off the germs that are inside this raw fish. Okay, so let's continue with the raw fish. Next is this sea snail, chopped up. It is a chewy one with a deep mineral taste. And trust me, this is a real workout for my mouth as it's really hard to bite. Switching back to some cooked food, we'll be having this pan-fried fish. It's just pretty normal, as I would say. I don't have much comment with this. It's pretty well served, but it's pretty normal as a fried fish. Next up, another raw food to be served is this mega big oyster. It's around my palm size. Look at this whole piece of oyster. It's messy, it's creamy, and we'll be having some unagi as well to sprinkle out the taste because it's pretty sweet. Following up, we'll be having these high protein heavy hitters, this abalone here. And no man, I really have so much food that I'm literally very full at this point of time. So to wash all the food down, we'll be finishing it with these well-seasoned fish soups. Definitely an interesting experience for this meal, as there's so much raw food that makes me feel like a primeval. Subscribe to the channel for more travel contents.